What's up YouTube, this is B-Side Investing. This is our 1K to 100K challenge, and it just seems like I've been doing this challenge video consistently, so yeah, anyways, okay, so we are looking at a, 4% gain? Okay, not bad. So we are looking at just under $200 today, and we're sitting at $5,200, and today was a really good day. That's how we're back. Haven't bought or sold anything, so let's okay, so bingo, just refresh. Okay, so bingo, 5% today. Seems like the genomic stocks have picked up. If you see here is America, not so much. Sense, Oxygen, you can see 8-3 respectively. So yeah, seems like yesterday was just, yeah, you get it. The market's really unstable. Not sure what the hell is going on, you know. We do need to be patient with it. That's all I can say pretty much, because for the past month or so it's been acting crazy. So some days will be up, some days will be really down. So just think of it as a down market, and just just invest accordingly. So okay, so we got some not big, but good news. HUT, we're sitting at 566. It just started popping off after, just around close, like at around 2 p.m. Of course, Bitcoin has been stable at around 57, 58. Right, so about 58 to a high of 59.5. So it is moving up. I want it to be more sideways, so at least we'll have some stable movements, but it's most likely going to hit 60K by tomorrow, maybe, who knows. Okay, so that's 5.5%. No news even for Hive or Bitfarm, so let's just go through. 2.56%. It came back at the at around close. It just shot up, and let's see. Ethereum above 1850. It's been a while. I think it's been a few weeks since we've seen that. So mining profitability really good. Not much has changed since yesterday, but just know that these guys are making a shit ton of money. A lot. They're making a lot of money. Like, you thought Q4 was bad. You just watch Q1. Q1 numbers is going to be really, really crazy. Like these, like even with the help of Bitcoin price, it's going to be crazy. So check that out when it comes. Bitfarm, we're looking at 3.7 gain percent, and no news. Now I just want to hover back to here, and this is in Google Finance. So if you pick a stock and then they show here comparative stocks, so you can compare the stocks and you can play around with that and see the trends and stuff like that. So yeah, so I just want to go through today. I just want to show you the difference of the market. Riot, Mara, no news, no, like nothing. Like let's just go. Nothing. No news, I don't think. 15%, ridiculous. Okay, now they released the news at close. So this is Marathon Digital Holdings to launch the first North America-based Bitcoin mining pool, fully compliant with US regulation. Okay. So apart from that, we just came out at close, which had nothing to do with today's movements. So let's see. Yeah, no. Riot. Hopefully they didn't release any news. At close. No, I don't think so. No. See? Nothing. Right. I just want to show you the power of the US, the NASDAQ, and like just the listing, just being listed on there. Look at the freaking movement here. Bitcoin is up, what, like 2-3%? Not even that much. Just under 2%. And Mara is up 15%. 15.5%. Riot is up 7.5%. And Hut, we're looking at, if you look, it just crossed over Bitfarm at around 2 p.m. and at 555. Okay. Bitfarm and Hive, not so much. That's what I'm saying. Like, the NASDAQ listing, if you didn't know already, is going to play a huge role in the price movement. Now, of course, it's kind of unstable right now, but in general, it's going to play a huge role because of the huge volume, because of the huge exposure. It's going to get a lot of exposure, and people will do their research, hopefully, and they'll find out that I think Hut's going to be the first one to get in there. And so we'll assume Hut will go first. And people realize Hut is really undervalued with their current hash rate, 1 exahash plus 3,000 plus Bitcoin hodl. So with that, it's kind of similar to Riot. Not that much, but it is. And if you look at the price, Riot is at 50. But I'm not saying it should be like 40 just because Riot is at that price. Riot, its market cap is like 3.4 billion. Okay, so, and Hut is at 1. Yeah, just 1. So it should be at least closer to Riot, like at around 3. So I'd say maybe about 30 Canadian dollars. And 30 Canadian dollars, that's like 25, 24 US dollars. So US dollars, hopefully it should be around 24. And, with that lower price, that mindset, people will buy more. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like right now, it might not move as much, but once it gets into the US market, we'll see a huge, huge boost. And when I say the US market, I don't mean OTC. OTC, it doesn't count. It's freaking like the fees and all that. And I don't even think Robinhood has access to OTC market. So those people, yeah, you need to be in the NASDAQ and so I'm talking about those people. Buy. So anyways, right, that was it for today, I think. Yeah, just not much of no news or anything like that, but at least hope you understand why the Canadian markets don't move as much right now. You also have to consider the instability of the market as well right now. So it's not just the US market, it's also the Canadian market too. So quick tip, I want to give you actually I just bought 2 companies, shares in 2 companies, and I just want to tell you about that. So what I bought first was MP Materials. Now I already own MP before at, what was it? I bought some at 36. I bought some at 34. What was it? 36, and some at 34. So right now I bought in the morning at 31, just under $32. So it took a hit today in the morning, so I bought it. And the next one is GoEV. So MP Materials, it was a hit. It's a continuation, kind of. It started a few days back, and I was able to take advantage of it. I think it was also available like on Thursday, I think. So with GoEV, this is Canoe. Canoe, they do electric trucks. Yeah, pickup trucks and functional ones too. So this is for last mile delivery, all that stuff. And really cool application. If you didn't see the video on YouTube about the trucks, it's really cool, functional, and it's really geared towards the everyday working class, people who need truck for their job, for their business, and all that. So really applicable form factor. The truck is really cool. I like it. I like the company, and at $9 I like it even more. So I picked up some more. I picked up I want to say 45 shares at around, what was it, at around, I forget the price, but I think it was at 9.30. So yeah, definitely check those two companies out. MP Materials, rare earth elements, really big market. Only company in North America, in the Western Hemisphere, doing it. So they had a pullback because of this announcing of $600 million green convertible senior note offering. So that's why. Okay, so if you want to just check out this a little bit. Right, so what we do, rare earth elements, and if you look at the rare earth elements, what do they use it in? Rechargeable batteries, night vision goggles, camera lenses. This element, cerium, automotive catalyst, glass polishing, LED light, EV motors, mobile device, wind turbine. If you look at this, EV motors, lasers, medical device. It's crazy how much use there is for these minerals or elements, and China is the only other one that has that access, that does rare earth elements. So guys, check it out. Check out MP Materials. What I'm just gonna do is shine a light on these companies for you to check out. I'm not gonna tell you to buy this, buy that. No, I'm gonna just shine a light on the companies that I'm buying and that I'm looking at, and you decide and do your research if you like it or not. Because the type of companies you might be interested in is not something I might be interested in. So that's vice versa. It goes both ways, right? So you got to go with your own style, which one you like, and invest in those. And your risk tolerance too. So your risk tolerance could be much higher or lower than mine. I don't have that high of a risk tolerance. I think mine is moderate. I'm not going to invest in options. I'm not going to use margins. That's a huge no-no for me. Like, people say you can make all this, that, but they don't look at the negative side. Like, I'm a realist. You can lose everything and then some more, and you can go bankrupt and you can go broke. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to buy in companies. I'm just going to buy stocks. I'm going to buy into companies that I like, that I know that have huge potential in the long term. And then in the long term, what I mean is 5 to 10 years. Some of them I could mean a few years, 2, 3, 4, but my investments are going to be for long term. And yes, so please feel free to like and subscribe. Please check out MP Materials and Canoe. Check them out. Do your research and see if it's for you. If it's not, it's fine. You don't have to invest. Just look at other companies. There are a lot of companies in the market. Okay, so anyways, thank you for watching, and please feel free to like and subscribe. Please know this is not financial advice. Do your own research, do your own DD, and build up your conviction. Because if you don't have a conviction, you might sell it on the market at red days, and you might lose a lot more money than if you didn't do your research. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.